Just when I thought I was safe, self-isolating in the shed by the pond, I'm now under attack from another threat. Green finches. Although I'm here under siege in my shed, because of modern technology I can actually be anywhere in the world, which is one of the amazing things about sheds. It will really stabilise the pH. So it is actually a great benefit. If you need help with your project, I'm very happy to offer an online 1-hour consultancy service for the same price as one of my courses. So book a place, it'd be great to see you. In the meantime, take care, keep safe and stay at least 2 meters from any greenfinch.